Matt, if one of your family members or friends or someone from Newaygo that you grew up with called you and said, I was in this car accident, truck accident, I need the inside skinny on what can I do to be a good client? What can I do to make sure that we get the best possible result in the case? What would you tell them?
I would honestly say the biggest thing is following direction, listening to your doctors, listening to your lawyers, being honest with yourself and everyone else. I know, and I see this with a ton of my clients, especially with male clients. I'm the same way, to where I hate going to the doctors. I hate following up with doctors. It's just, if I can bear through it, I will. But when you've got a serious injury, especially that where you're dealing with an insurance company, if you're not getting addressed, you're not only hurting your body, you're hurting your case and your ability to ultimately get it paid.
That's a good point. A lot of clients are given lots of advice by their doctors, whether it be for prescriptions, whether it be to have an injection, whether it be to take bed rest or go off work, to get a certain test done. And, sometimes they don't follow that advice, and it does hurt their case. It makes it less valuable. It doesn't make the person get any better any quicker. It makes our jobs harder. So I like that advice. I think that's important and smart, that they should follow the instructions of their doctors and as well as their lawyers.
I mean, when you hire a lawyer, you have to understand you're hiring someone that's an expert in their field. Whether it be, you're hiring a probate lawyer, a divorce lawyer, if you're hiring a personal injury lawyer, if you're hiring me, this is what I do. This is the only law that I've ever practiced for, the last 11 years, personal injury law. When I give you advice, there's a reason for it. I will give you all the options and tell you what I think the best course of action is. And if you really want to have a successful, not just lawsuit, but successful outcome with dealing with your injuries, dealing with your insurance company, you should really listen to the experts that you're, that are ultimately taking care of you, including the doctors.